Here's the thing. I have take out the a door latch from the front door, and this is the normal one. It has been bent, and I wonder if you can test this door latch for me. I just let me disassemble it. And you can see it actually have these two parts, and I'm trying to buy some this thing stainless steel plate for you, and it should solve the problem. I was wondering the door lock itself can work normally or not. Can you please disassemble the door lock for me and test it like this? You can use your finger to push